And if I go back, and this is my story, yours may be similar or very different. When I was in the university program, all the stuff that I was doing, we had engineering labs. And interestingly enough, none of my assignments were for either a PC or a Mac back in the day. Instead, they had Sun workstations in engineering labs, and that's what I used. Okay. So I went there and worked. So there, at no point when I was in college did I feel compelled to go buy a computer, which to me, by the time I graduated college, felt ironic. Hey, look, I've studied 6 years of computer science and engineering, and I don't even own a computer. That sounds kind of, I don't know, counterintuitive. Um, the first job that I went to, and you can go look me up on LinkedIn to see where I went to first after I graduated, they gave me a machine. They had a machine with a particular version of Windows on it. It had corporate software on it. It had the version of Windows the sysadmins wanted on it, because they're the ones on the hook to make sure they're using patch systems. So at that point in time, I had a corporate machine, and I would come home at the end of the day and I was like, I don't know, I'm not that interested in doing computer stuff right now. I just did that all day. I want to take a break and do something else. But at a certain point, I was like, well, there's some things here and there I want to do. So I eventually went to get a machine. And then it was like, I don't know, maybe I'll build a machine or something, whether or not I'm going to put Windows on it, or maybe I want to build it for Linux. But I'd build a cheap thing, something inexpensive. Later on, I got into something called Myth TV, which is open source personal video recorder. It's basically a TiVo box you can build yourself. And I had a lot of fun assembling that.